Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can get Verizon low-income phone plans, step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Understand the Lifeline program. Verizon participates in the Lifeline Federal Assistance Program, which offers monthly discounts on phone service for qualified low-income customers. Lifeline is designed to make essential phone and internet services more affordable. Step 2. Check your eligibility. You may qualify for Lifeline if your household income is at or below certain federal poverty guidelines, often around 135% of the poverty level, or if you participate in qualifying programs such as SNAP, Medicaid, SSI, or other government assistance programs. Step 3. Apply through the National Verifier. Visit the Lifeline National Verifier website, checklifeline.org, and complete the online application. You'll need to provide basic personal information and documentation of your income or benefit program participation. Step 4. Get approval confirmation. Once the National Verifier confirms your eligibility, you'll receive a notification. This tells you that you qualify for the Lifeline discount. Step 5. Contact Verizon to enroll. Call Verizon at 1-800-417-3849 or visit a local Verizon store to apply your Lifeline benefit to their phone plan. Verizon will help you choose an eligible plan and apply the monthly discount to your account. Step 6. Provide documentation. When enrolling with Verizon, you may need to show your eligibility documents again, proof of income or benefit participation, so they can finalize your Lifeline subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.